Dressmakers and fabric beaders, here is a quick video that is going to guide you into knowing how to create this cluster beaded design. First, I go ahead to get all the materials which I'm going to be using to create this design. I have my beading needle size 10 right here. I love the size 10 beading needle because it's easy to thread, and I've gone ahead to thread this with the matching fabric that I'm working with. So here I have my polyester thread. Bear in mind that you can also use invisible thread. Okay, go ahead and make a knot. This is the polyester thread, that is the normal sewing thread, and this is the invisible thread. You can see that this sort of look like invisible. So if you are working with mesh or if you are working with illusion nets, go ahead to use the invisible thread. Okay, bear in mind also that for this beaded design we need multiple beads. Okay, so these are the beads that I'm going to be using. I have my black pearl beads here. This is about size 8. Note that all the beads that you have here are actually of similar sizes. So I actually have my white pearl beads also, and I also have here 2 types of crystals. So this and these are actually crystals, but it's just that they vary in the color, and they are also size 8. So everything that I have here, they are actually similar sizes. So I also have here my rose motif, or we can also call this studs in Nigeria here. So these are my rose motif. You can see that they have holes beneath them. Okay, they also come in different colors, so when you get to the market you can just buy any of the studs that are actually your choice. Okay, so take a close look at these beads. These are all the beads that we are going to be making use of in this design. For this dress which I'm going to be working on, it already has a neckline that is scalloped, and that is why the design we are going to be making will come out as scalloped. Okay, if you are working on any other parts of a dress, it is advisable that you go ahead and mark whatever shape you want before you start beading on that shape. Okay, whatever shape you mark is what's going to follow. We are going to be picking these beads like 3-3 in a line, but it's not like 3-3 in a line like that. At the end of the day, the reason why we're having 3-3 is so that we can maintain the same width. Okay, 3 to 4 is what I'm going to be picking there, and I'm going to be showing you closely how I did that. So I'm going to be picking my beads, my rose motif, one at a time. Okay, I'm going to be zooming in so that you can see this. So one at a time, I'm going to be tacking this down, and because I want this stud to be well secured, this is the only one I did twice because I made use of the 2 holes that is underneath it. Okay, and that's how I tack all of this. All right, so the first thing to do is go ahead to take a pinch of fabric with your already knotted needle and thread, then pick your bead one at a time. All right, pick the bead in such a way that you are not picking the same bead after the other. Like if you pick one crystal, the next thing you should pick is maybe one pearl, then the next you should pick is like one stud. Okay, in that sequence, but it has to be like 3, then the next 3 again, one of each of the beads. Take a close look. I'm sure that you are going to understand. If you just follow these guidelines which I'm giving you right now, I'm sure you are going to understand it. And if you are interested in detailed fabric beading class, take a screenshot of the number on the screen right now, and then WhatsApp this number if you want a fabric beading class. I'm going to keep quiet now so that you can pay close attention to how I'm beading this. Now as you can see, I'm stitching the beads really close to each other. Okay, you don't want to have any spaces in between the beads, and this is how the clusters are formed. The other tip is make sure that you have mixed your bead just the way you want to see it. Go ahead to choose beads that are crystal-like, beads that can give you the shine and the sparkle that you really want to see. I would keep going with this process until you get to the very end of the outline that you have drawn, or you get to the very end of your neckline. So I make sure that I do not speed up this video so that you can really get to see clearly how this is done. Now I'm done beading the entire neckline. Here is what the final look is. You can take a look at how beautiful and how sparkly this looks. Let me know what you think about this design. Would you be trying it out? And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your sewing friends as well. I'll see you in the next video.